Colleagues, as we gather here in this sacred chamber during Black History Month, we have a unique opportunity to honor the remarkable individuals whose contributions have shaped our communities, broken barriers, and inspired generations to rise higher than those before them. This opportunity reminds me of a quote by civil rights attorney and activist Vernon Jordan, who said, "You are where you are today because you stand on somebody's shoulders. And whether you are heading, you cannot get there by yourself. If you stand on the shoulders of others, you have a reciprocal responsibility to live your life so that others may stand on your shoulders. It is the quid pro quo of life. We exist temporarily through what we take, but we live forever through what we give." It's hard to imagine that in this day and age, we still have Black history consistently being made around us. It's 2025, and yet when I look around, I still see people, even in this chamber, and meet those whose shoulders I am privileged to stand on. The remarkable thing about Black history is that it isn't just something locked in the past, captured in black and white photos and textbooks. Black history isn't just about learning the stories of those who came before us. It's being written every single day right before our eyes. I'm proud to come from a legacy of resilience, innovation, and triumph. I am proud to walk among those who continue to defy the odds and make history in real time. These stories are not confined in the past. They are the people I encounter, the communities I engage with, and the experiences that shape our present and our future. The beauty of Black history is that it is living, breathing, and continuously evolving. It's found in the artists, it's found in the educators, it's found in the activists, it's found in the leaders, and the everyday people whose contributions, big and small, are shaping the world we live in. I have the distinct honor and pleasure to walk alongside Black history in this very chamber, and I'm very proud of every interaction, every moment, and every stride that we all take forward to make as a people. Today, I'm proud to spotlight not only a talented leader and a fierce advocate, but both a personal friend and inspiration, former Senator Melanie G. Griffith. Senator Griffith's journey began far from here in Abilene, Texas, and in Great Falls, Montana. But her heart and purpose led her to Prince George's County, where she dedicated over 2 decades to public service. A proud Howard University graduate, she began her career in social work, where she learned firsthand the power of compassion and advocacy. And it was the same passion that brought her here to the Maryland General Assembly. In 1998, Senator Griffith was elected to the Maryland House of Delegates, where she quickly distinguished herself as a thoughtful, determined leader. Over the course of her service, Senator Griffith worked with 5 governors, 4 county executives, 7 District 25 delegates, 2 speakers of the House, and 2 Senate presidents. During this span, in 2018, Melanie was elected to the Maryland State Senate, making her the first African American woman ever elected to represent Legislative District 25. As I stand on her shoulders, she stands on the shoulders of Senator B. Tignor, who was the first African American woman who was appointed to the seat. Melanie again made history with this body when she was voted to become the President Pro Tem of Maryland in this Senate in 2020. This made her the first African American woman to ever serve in this role. From budget and tax to serving as chair of finance, she made a monumental stride to better the lives of all Marylanders. Though she had many titles, her legacy is not defined by those titles. It's defined by her results and the deep connection she built with the constituents that she represented. Senator Griffith worked tirelessly to bring about equitable change in Prince George's County and across Maryland. She helped secure hundreds of millions of dollars for the Blue Line Corridor and made sure Prince George's County had a seat at the table on the Maryland Stadium Authority. And she also focused on economic development and nonprofit organizations while fighting to expand access to health care. Senator Griffith, a distinguished member of the Maryland State Senate, has been instrumental in advancing legislation aimed at reducing health disparities and promoting equity across the state. In 2020, she led a bipartisan work group focused on creating a more equitable foundation for all Maryland residents, regardless of race, gender, or geography. The collaborative effort resulted in a comprehensive 47-page report that showcased over 19 pieces of legislation that we all have now enacted into law, addressing critical issues such as health disparities, wealth equity, and environmental justice. She also passed the Preserve Telehealth Access Act of 2021 and the exemption of the medical device bill, which cut sales tax for life-saving devices such as blood pressure monitoring services, respirators, and diabetic care, which impacts a lot of our communities. We partnered together to consolidate and define responsibilities for the Procurement Improvement Council, which delivered considerable progress on behalf of minority business enterprises in the procurement sector. And she uplifted, respected, and listened to her constituency every step of her career, truly embodying the role of a public servant. In October of 2023, I received a call from the press asking if I had a public comment on Senator Griffith stepping down to take on a new role. What I must say, in that moment, I knew that Senator Griffith could truly keep a secret because I had no idea what was going on. But when I talked to Senator Griffith, she let me know that she was ready to embrace a new chapter, what she did, becoming the president and CEO of the Maryland Hospital Association. Once again, Melanie shattered glass ceilings as taking on this responsibility made her the first African-American woman to hold this prestigious role in the association's 54-year history. As we all are aware, this was what led to my appointment to the Senate for District 25, where today I follow in my dear friend's footsteps. Senator Griffith's story is a testament to the power of representation, perseverance, and the impact that one dedicated leader can have on the lives of so many. She reminds us that Black history is not just something we reflect on during February, it is something that we live, make, and carry forward every single day. As we celebrate Black History Month, let us not honor not only the accomplishments of those who came before us, but also of the contributions of those who continue to shape our future. Leaders like Senator Melanie Griffith, whose legacy will inspire generations to come as it has inspired me. Thank you, Melanie. Thank you, Senator Griffith, for your service, your leadership, and your unwavering dedication to our community. In this moment in 2025, we are still part of a story that stretches far beyond the classroom and into the very fabric of our society, still being written, still being created, and I am humbled to be a part of it. Happy Black History Month.
Well said, Senator. Well said. Well said.